How will the UPA tide over its Sri Lanka hurdle? Will they change the country's diplomatic strategy, or will they risk the ire of its biggest ally, the DMK? Whichever way they go, there is tremendous pressure on the government to disclose its stand on the UNHRC resolution that condemns Colombo for war crimes against Tamils.
Please. No.
It was a no-holds-barred debate on the issue of government stand on the UN vote on Sri Lanka.
We do believe that justice
The government
requires
finding
certain
itself completely isolated, not just from the opposition but also from its own allies.
What is your government's view? What is the view of Dr. Manmohan Singh? What government of India thinks as far as Sri Lankan Tamil issue is concerned?
We should formulate our policy in a state of helplessness.
The debate also had its moments, with the minister and the opposition trading salvos.
Why are you not listening? मेरे सामने नूरे जमाल था और खुली आंख मेरी तो ना खबर रही वो ख्वाब था या ख्याल था.
कि तनज़्ज़ुल की हद देखना चाहता हूँ कि शायद वहीं हो तरक्की का जिन.
गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेंगे जो घुटनों के बल चले.
And when the government finally spoke, the united opposition seeing red.
When a procedural resolution comes as a follow-up of last year's resolution, what is our position? Our position is we will take into account what all the honourable members have said. We will take into account what the leader of opposition has said. Once we take that decision, we will share it with you.
As the DMK and the BJP staged a walkout,
Yes, please. Order, please. We are working.
the government's helplessness and lack of clarity became evident.
Take your seat. No, please. Baluji, one at a time.
And the totality.
Therefore, sir, we are working.
They have not yet been able to decide whether what they did last year in voting with the resolution was correct or not. If you are not decided whether to vote in favor or against, it is better to abstain so that the future does not blame you.
But any vote which is seen as going soft in Sri Lanka may not go down too well with the UPA ally, which was made clear by the DMK chief.
SCHR report that was released in February 2013 clearly indicts the Sri Lankan government for not doing enough and instilling confidence in probing the severe human rights violations. And it's reports such as these that are forcing the Sri Lankan government to answer the unanswered questions since 2009. In Chennai, Vikram Gopinath for Times Now.